You want to start dropshipping with Shopify, but you're probably wondering, how do I even find products, and how do I get them onto my store easily? That's where Spocket comes in. If you've been grappling with the idea of sourcing high-quality products without the headache of inventory, or if you're tired of sifting through countless suppliers on other platforms, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the seamless integration of Spocket and Shopify, a powerful duo that can transform your dropshipping business. We're going to walk through every step, from setting up your Spocket account to importing your first product into your Shopify store, making sure you're ready to start selling in no time. Forget about complex coding or confusing interfaces. Both Spocket and Shopify are designed for ease of use, and when combined, they create an incredibly efficient system for any aspiring or established e-commerce entrepreneur. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly understand why this combination is so potent. Shopify provides you with a robust, customizable e-commerce platform, your storefront. Essentially, it handles everything from website design to payment processing. Spocket, on the other hand, is your product sourcing powerhouse. It gives you access to a curated marketplace of high-quality dropshipping products, primarily from suppliers in the US and Europe, which means faster shipping times and generally better product quality compared to some other dropshipping models. This focus on speed and quality is a massive advantage in today's competitive e-commerce landscape. Customers expect fast delivery, and they expect products that meet their expectations. Spocket helps you deliver on both fronts, which translates to happier customers and fewer returns for your business. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, connecting Spocket to your Shopify store. The process is surprisingly straightforward, and we'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you'll need a Shopify store. If you don't have one yet, head over to Shopify's website and sign up for their free trial. It's a quick process, and you'll be guided through setting up your basic store details. Once your Shopify store is up and running, even if it's just a blank canvas, you're ready for Step 2. Step 2 involves setting up your Spocket account. Go to Spocket's website and sign up. They offer different pricing plans, including a free trial that allows you to browse products and get a feel for the platform. During the sign-up process, Spocket will likely prompt you to connect your store. This is where the magic begins. If it doesn't prompt you immediately, don't worry, you can always connect it from within your Spocket dashboard. Once you're in your Spocket dashboard, look for the My Stores or Integrations section. You'll see an option to connect to Shopify. Click on it and you'll be redirected to your Shopify store. Shopify will ask for your permission to allow Spocket to access certain information and perform actions on your store, like adding products. This is a standard security measure, and you'll want to review the permissions and then click Install App or Add Sales Channel. Once you grant permission, Spocket will be seamlessly integrated with your Shopify store. You'll know it's connected when you see your Shopify store name listed under My Stores in your Spocket account. It's really that simple for the initial connection. Now that your stores are linked, it's time for the exciting part, finding products to sell. Spocket's marketplace is intuitive and designed for easy navigation. You can browse products by category, price, supplier location, and even by trending products. Take your time to explore and find products that align with your niche and target audience. Spocket focuses on quality over quantity, so you'll find a curated selection of products. Pay attention to the estimated shipping times and the supplier's location, as these factors directly impact your customer's experience. Once you find a product you like, click on it to view its details. You'll see information like the product description, images, pricing, and shipping costs. Spocket also shows you your potential profit margin for each product, which is incredibly helpful for pricing strategies. When you're ready to add a product to your store, simply click the Add to Import List button. Adding products to your import list is a crucial step. It allows you to review and edit product details before they go live on your Shopify store. This is your chance to customize descriptions, optimize titles for SEO, and choose which product variants, like sizes or colors, you want to offer. You can also adjust pricing. While Spocket provides a suggested retail price, you have full control to set your own, keeping in mind your profit goals and competitive landscape. Once you've refined the product details in your import list, It's time to push them to your Shopify store. With a single click, those products will be added to your Shopify catalog. You'll then be able to see them in your Shopify admin under the Products section. From there, you can make any further adjustments, organize them into collections, and even create discounts or promotions. And just like that, you've gone from having a blank Shopify store to a product-filled e-commerce ready for customers. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the order details will automatically sync with Spocket. All you need to do is go into your Spocket account, confirm the order, and the supplier will handle the rest: packaging, shipping, and providing tracking information. You'll be able to see the order status update in both Spocket and Shopify, keeping you informed every step of the way. One of the often overlooked benefits of Spocket is their focus on branded invoicing. Many suppliers on Spocket allow you to include your store's logo on the packing slip, providing a more professional and branded experience for your customers. Even though you're dropshipping, this small detail can significantly enhance customer perception and build trust. Remember, success in dropshipping isn't just about getting products onto your store. It's about marketing those products effectively, providing excellent customer service, and continuously optimizing your store. With Spocket handling the product sourcing and fulfillment, you're freed up to focus on these critical aspects of your business. Spend time on your marketing efforts, whether it's through social media, paid ads, or SEO. Engage with your customers, answer their questions promptly, and build a strong brand presence. This integration between Spocket and Shopify truly streamlines the entire dropshipping process. It removes many of the common pain points like inventory management and supplier communication, allowing you to focus on growing your business. It's a powerful combination that empowers entrepreneurs to launch and scale their online stores with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.